loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video and my bare face, I will be showing you guys my everyday makeup routine. I will be giving very much a natural vibe, okay? I will be trying out some new products from Kosas, so it will be like a first impressions as well. Super excited to jump into it, but if you are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button along with that notification bell down below so you are notified every time I post a new video. I would love to welcome you guys to my family. Just come on over. It's positive vibes over here, okay? So yes, with that being said, let's just jump on into this video now, shall we? As you can see, I have a bare face. I just finished my skincare routine, and y'all, do you see this glow? Ignore the dark circles and just pay attention to this glow because I'm here for it. I have been trying out some new skincare products for about 2 weeks, and of course I documented everything, so make sure you are subscribed if you want to see what I've been using to get the super glowy dewy skin. But with that being said, we're going to jump into my makeup from Kosas. They sent over 5 of their products, and I did try to find my best shades. So I did take their quiz online to find my concealer shade, which I think I did find the shade that matches my skin tone, which is amazing. However, it looks like it's too dark to go underneath my eyes, so I most likely will have to use one of my own shades that I have for my under eyes. And then I have this powder, which looks like my skin tone, which is perfect. And I'm super excited for their wet lip oil plumping gloss. I'm going to go all into their products and like more specs about it as I put them on my face. And then I got 2 of their brow products, their brow pencil and their tinted treatment gel. And they also have a quiz on their site to find your brow shade as well, which I did take, and I ended up getting brown black, which is typically the color I use. And I don't know, but I'm obsessed with their packaging. It's giving me like 90 vibes. I don't know. I like it. Alright, so now for my skin. I'm going to zoom in a little bit and I'll just tell you a few fun details about the products as we go. So one reason I'm really excited to try out Kosas is because they say their makeup is for skincare freaks, and I feel like I am definitely in that group. So I'm going to go in with their concealer. This is in the shade 8.2W, and since this looks like my skin tone, I'm going to be using this as a spot treatment and not necessarily like a brightening under eye concealer. Yeah, this is more so like my skin tone. So I'm going to target any dark spots that I have on my face, and I'm really going to use this as my coverage. So I'm not going to be going in with a foundation today. So let's see how it blends. It feels very lightweight on my face, which I like. Like, I don't even feel anything. Wow, this blends so buttery and smooth into my skin. Alright, so this is a really perfect just cover up. Look at that. And the glow is still just peeking through. This feels so airy that I am not afraid to add more to my face, and I'm just going to blend that out and really just use this as my foundation. Go in with this little buffing brush. So I have a few fun facts pulled up next to me on my computer about their products, and they state that this concealer visibly brightens and is clinically proven to reveal better skin. I mean, when you look at the list of ingredients that they include into their products, I was shook. They are very intentional with their ingredients. Super clean. It's just so impressive. And I have really been caring a lot more about what I put on my skin. I've been so into skincare, so for me, like, adding on a layer of coverage that is light and very good for my skin, it's just It's amazing. Alright, you guys, so I just finished buffing in their concealer. I used it as a foundation. And do you see this? The coverage is amazing. Like, it looks full coverage to me, but it feels so incredibly light. Alright, so now I'm going to just add my LA Girl concealer under my eyes because it is a little lighter and bright. But after trying out the Kosas concealer, yeah, I will be getting a few more shades in that because so far I'm like incredibly impressed. Alright, so I wasn't planning to, but I ended up putting some concealer under my brow and above, which typically I would have done this after I did my brows. But it is what it is. It happens. I will go ahead and do my brows right after. I did just groom them before I filmed, so it was just natural for me to be like, oh, let me just, you know, cover it up. So now time for brows. This is their Brow Pop Dual Action Defining Pencil. Typically, I focus on the very ends of my brow. Sometimes if I want to define the top to look very sharp, I'll go in. And it gives a very natural brow effect. So yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to brow pencils for me. I don't do much, but it looks very natural. It felt so creamy, and like, it's a very light touch. You don't need much of this product, so that means it's gonna last for a while, which I like. Alright, so now we're going in with their Air Brow Tinted Volumizing Treatment Gel. Alright, so I'm just gonna brush over them very slightly. And I really like to have brow gels a part of my routine to just keep my brows intact all day. So immediately I feel like my brows look thicker. What do we think? I really like this. And I do want to mention that their brow products do contain castor oil, which does grow your eyebrows. So that is pretty amazing. Alright, so now I'm going in with Cloud Set. This is their Baked Setting and Smoothing Powder in the shade Softly. Okay, so this says that it has bamboo stem extract, passion fruit leaf extract, and it helps to minimize the look of pores, it smooths, it reduces shine, everything we love, especially when you're doing a minimal makeup look. So I'm just going to go over and press this on the concealer that we applied earlier as a foundation. Okay, so the shades that I chose based on their online quiz seems to be a really good match. So, you know, kudos to them for that, because shopping for foundation online, especially as a woman of color, it can be a very daunting task, you know. I kind of avoid it. So I'm very impressed with the shades that I chose. Again, I will leave everything in the description box below for you guys to try out for yourself. And I do want to go in very quickly with some blush. I'm going to use these two shades right here. I tend to go for mauve and peach shades, and as of lately I've been avoiding highlighter and just going for a very blushed look. So very lightly just brush that. Then I'm just going to quickly take the setting powder again from Kosas and top that so it's not too bright. See, it's just like a nice blush. Last but not least, I am going in with the Kosas Wet Lip Oil. This is a plumping treatment gloss. This is in the shade Unbuttoned, and I did try this before I filmed this video, and this is going to be my new favorite lip gloss. I already know it. It looks like my lips, but better, okay? My lips, but wet. It is such a natural color, you guys. You see this? It's not sticky whatsoever. This feels so moisturizing. and it does contain shea butter and avocado oil and so many amazing natural ingredients. Almost forgot my mascara. Kosas does have a mascara that I've tried in the past. Absolutely loved it. It gave me so much volume and length. Would recommend it for sure. Alright, you guys, so that is it for the look. What do we think? What do we think? So as far as first impressions go, I am so impressed. Like, I truly loved everything I tried on. But I will for sure be repurchasing these in different shades because they're amazing. Again, it feels so incredibly lightweight. Like, I still can't believe I just put makeup on my face. These are great products for an everyday use. I'm happy, I'm pleased. I will leave the link to all the products I tried in the description box below. If you guys liked this video, you know what to do. Smash that like button and make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you guys very shortly in my next one.